have a new package. What is this? Rechargeable cable. Type C. And we have this. What is this? This is package. From online store. Okay. Bubble wrapping. $500 millimeter LED strip, induction light, induction plate, intelligent induction light. What's wrong with the package? Already broken the package. Intelligent induction light. Let us see how intelligent is this light. If it is intelligent. Okay, what's that? Oh, only one magnet? Where are the others? Oh, just one magnet. So we have the motion sensor. The motion sensor, this one. And then take out the plastic. What's this? The switch? We have the switch. I think this is low bat. Where are the other magnetic? For the charging, we have the charging port here. Type C. What? How can we install without the magnet? Only one piece? Oh, just one piece. At the middle. Here. Okay. One magnet. One magnet, one charging cable, and this lamp. So let us first let us charge this light. Type C, 5 volts USB, of course. Type C, reversible. And then to the USB charger. Okay, here we have the USB charger. Let us charge this light first. And then we can see the charging LED turns red. There is a charging LED, red LED. And this is the motion sensor, Fresnel tube. Seven 6:35. Charging time 6:35. Okay. At exactly 1 hour, we already done charging. There's no red lights. Already there's no red light, so it means we are done with the charging. Let us see what's inside this module. We have the LED lights, and of course the battery. Type C USB LED lights, some red LED, two resistors. What's this? Voltage regulator. Oh, what is this? 1 2 3 4 5. For the sensor, and this one is the microcontroller. Why is it not working? Oh, the sensor is not working because of the solder is busted. Soldering lead. Okay. Let us fix the solder. Okay, we are already done soldering the terminal, the pin of this motion sensor, Fresnel tube, for better sensing, or I think this one is the microcontroller, and then we have this one is the charging IC for the battery, charging IC. And this one, I think it is a driver, LED driver. It is a MOSFET LED driver. So we have 3 modes. This first button press, constant mode. Okay? And then the second press, night mode. Let us see the night mode. So it takes time to turn off the lights. A couple of seconds. Just a second. And then when we Okay, for just a few inches, we can activate the sensor. So it has no connection. Just a pure LED strips. Then we can wait for the LED to turn off. And then since we are in the night mode, so only 3 inches, 2 or 3 inches is the distance to activate the motion sensor. But if we're going to 1, that is the constant mode. 2, night mode. 3, 3 flasher, it is all day sense mode. Here, in this mode, mode 3, uh, let us wait for the LED to turn off. At this distance, so it's around 1 feet, 1 foot. The sensor is already activated. So this mode is better than the night mode. This is all day sense mode because even you are very far, you can activate the motion sensor. Let us wait again for the LED to turn up. And then, wait. Okay. When here is our hand, very far, around 1 meter. Around 1 meter, it already activate the motion sensor. This sensor, this is a PIR sensor, proximity infrared sensor. This bulb. And port mode is the turn off. First press or first mode constant. It means we're not using the sensor. Second, 2 flasher. It is night mode. And the third mode, 3 flasher. That is the best mode with long distance proximity sensing.